Yeah, dear student, welcome back to the accountancy class. And our chapter going on is laser. And in the previous class, I gave you the introduction about the laser, meaning of the laser, and posting of the laser from journal. From simple entry, posting of the simple entry, and posting of compound entry. Now today we are going to study the opening entry. So this I have already taught to you. Opening entry. So enterprises close their books of account at the end of each year, and nominal accounts are closed by transferring to the trading and profit and loss account, while the balances of personal and rear account under the traditional approach for the classification of accounts are carried forward to the next year. So the closing balances of the this year will be called as the opening balances of the next year. In the laser chapter, I also gave you the introduction about the 5 type of account, that is asset, liabilities, capital, revenue and expenses. So first three are the permanent ledger account. They will always show the opening and closing balance except in case of a newly established enterprise. And revenue and expenses are nominal accounts, so they are closed by transferring it to the debit side of profit and loss account. Clear? I hope this thing is clear to you. We have also solved the numerical for opening entry. Clear? Now see, one numerical has been given on the page 9.6, posting of opening entry. One numerical balance has been given to you. See illustration 1. It's written pass the opening entry as on 1st April 2019 on the basis of following information taken from books of Raman. Also post the opening entry. See what things are given to us. Cash in hand 20,000, sundry debtors 60,000, stock of goods 40,000, input IGST account, input SGST account 5,000, plant 50,000, land and building 1 lakh, sundry creditors 1 lakh. So these are the balances of assets and liabilities are given. So as usual, we are going to pass the journal entry. Journal rule is that debit all asset and credit all liabilities. Clear? So this is the rule. We are going to debit all assets. See, cash account debited, sundry debtors account debited, stock account debited, input IGST account debited, input SGST account debited, plant account debited, land and building account debited to sundry creditor. Clear? Here the capital is not been given to us. Clear? So that would be balancing figure. Make a total of the debit side and subtract creditors from that. Now see what is the total of debit side. 20 plus 60, 80, 40, 120, 135, 140, 190 and 290. This is the total of the asset side. Now subtract sundry creditors. 290 minus 1 lakh, 190, that the difference would be the capital account. Clear? Now you will write the narration being the balances of the assets and liabilities of the previous year brought into the books. Always remember, student, opening entry is always passed on the first day of opening year. Clear? Now this thing is clear, but our chapter going on is laser. So we have to also study the posting of laser balances. Now how to do the posting of opening entry? See. For an existing entity or enterprise, the balance of the assets and liabilities as shown by the balance sheet at the end of accounting year are brought forward in the beginning of next year. The entry passed to record such closing balances of the previous year is called opening entry. As discussed earlier, all assets will show a debit balance. Such account will be opened and the relevant amount will be written on the debit side to balance brought down. Clear? Or even you can write brought forward, as both words are synonymous and carry the same meaning. On the contrary, liabilities account shows the credit balance. An account for each liability will be opened and relevant account will be written up on the credit side as by balance BD, brought down or brought forward. You can use both the word brought down or brought forward. Both are synonymous and carry the same meaning. Clear? Now the format of the laser is clear to you. I already told you in the previous class. See, we can draw or we have to draw 8 columns. 4 column on the debit side and 4 column on the credit side. What are those columns? Date, particular, JF, amount. Date, particular, JF, amount. What is JF? JF means journal folio. The posting that has come from this side is taken from the which page of the journal, because previously, student, if you have seen in your houses, red color books were prevalent in the books of account. There were totally manual account. Clear? So see, what is the balance given of the cash? Cash balance is given is 20,000 and it is on the debit side. So we are going to write on the debit side of the laser. See, cash account laser to balance BT 20,000. Okay, as this is an opening entry and nothing is mentioned on the credit side, so we will leave the credit side of the laser, or otherwise you can balance the laser on the last day of the month, that is April 30. Clear? Second entry in our journal is sundry debtors. So again on the debit side you will write to balance BD. Third entry is stock account. So you will write on the debit side to balance BD 40,000. Now input IGST account, again to balance BD 50,000. Input SGST to balance BD 5,000. Next is plant account. Plant is also a fixed asset and will always show the debit balance or zero balance. So to balance BD 50,000. Next is land and building. To balance BD 1 lakh. Clear? As there is nothing to show on the credit side, we will not write, because this example is just to show you how the ledger posting has been done. Now our asset side is over. See in the ledger, all assets are clear. Now here creditors are given on the credit, to sundry creditors. So we will post it on the credit side of creditors accounts. See what has been written on the sundry creditor. By balance BD 1 lakh. Clear? Because creditors are showing credit balance, so we are going to write it on the credit side of ledger. By balance BD 1 lakh. Similarly, capital will always show the credit balance according to the separate entity concept, which says that owner is separate and business is separate, and what business believe in, that it has borrowed capital from owner. So capital will always show the credit balance. Clear? Now the one thing to be noticed over here is the use of words to and by. It is compulsory to use the words to with the account which appear on the debit side of the ledger account. Similarly, the word by, which is used with the account which appear on the credit side of ledger account. The word to and by do not have any specific meaning. Modern accountant therefore do not use this word. But as you are the learning phase, this is your first year in the accountancy, so you will always use the word to and by. Clear? Now the question arises, student, is the one side of the above account is empty. On the debit balance, credit side is empty, and on the credit balance, debit side is empty. So how to balance these ledger? Generally the ledger is balanced at the month end or week end, however you are taking. So now next topic is balancing of ledger account. After posting the transaction, accounts are balanced every year or after a certain period. That certain period may be weekly, fortnightly, monthly. Balancing the account means that two sides of an account are total, and the difference in the total of the two sides is written on the side whose total is smaller. For example, if the total of the credit side is more than the total of debit side of any account, the difference of the amount will be recorded as balance CD on the debit side and vice versa on the credit side. If the total of debit side of any account is more than the total of credit side, it means that account has debit balance, and if the total of the credit side of any account is more, it will show a credit balance. The debit balance is then written on the debit side to balance brought down or to balance BD, which is the opening balance for the new period. The credit balance is then written on the credit side as by balance brought down or by balance BD. This is the opening balance for the new accounting year. The total of a debit and credit side of the sum accounts may be equal. Those accounts will not show any balance. The concept of balancing is illustrated in the following figure. C. Process of balancing ledger account. Total both the sides of ledger account. Find out the difference. If the debit side total is more than the credit side total, write the difference on the credit side as by balance CD. If the credit side total is more than the debit side total, write the difference on the debit side to balance CD. Clear? This is the step. Make the total of debit side equal to the total of credit side. Draw a double line after both the totals. Bring forward the balance on the next date. If debit balance, write on the debit side to balance BD. If the credit balance on the credit as by balance BD. C. Cash account as given in the previous illustration. Total of the debit side of this account is 1,10,500 and total of the credit side is 80,650. See, this is the illustration number 2 and we are going to see the cash account. See, this is the cash account of illustration number 2. Total of the debit side of this is 110. Sorry. This is the cash account. Now the total of the debit side of this account is 1,10,500 while the total of the credit side is 80,650. Clear? So debit side is more than the credit side. Or dear student, always remember in cash account debit side is always more than credit side, because if you have 100 rupees you can't spend 105, you can spend 100 only. So either cash account will show the zero balance or debit balance. Clear? So subtract 110 500 minus 86 500, difference will be 29 850, that you can write on the credit side by balance sheet. Afterward totals are made, totals of both the side, that is debit and credit, will come same only, and difference is forwarded to the next year. See, on the May 1 it has been returned to balance BG 29 850. So my dear student, in this way ledger accounts are balanced. Please solve the comprehensive problem, that is illustration number 2, in order to have better understanding, and at the same time after the drawing of the result we can make trial balance. Clear? So first you make journal and ledger. If you have any doubt then you can let me know about it, so I can, from this thing only I can teach you the preparation of trial balance. Clear? I hope this thing is clear to you. Let me know about doubt by personally messaging me, WhatsApp me, text message, any way in which you feel comfortable. Thank you and happy learning.